Um, the next question actually probably came from you as well, Lindsay, because it sounds like something very similar to what we've just been discussing. It was, can you still choose which field to prefer during the import process rather than deal with each record individually? And the answer is yes, you can. I'll show you how to do that. If you go to import and then actually import a file, so we'll just I'm not sure I've got one on this machine, but I'll see if I can find one. So I'm going to import a file from, well, let me see if I can find one first. Bear with me while I find a file to import. If I haven't got one, Dave, I might ask you to do it, but let me see.
Yeah.
Dave, have you got something you can import?
Yeah, I'm just trying now. Okay, so we've got the this is for the duplicates. So if you find any duplicates in your segment, you can then compare these within the import process just by clicking on there, and then it will show you just list the records that you've imported, and then just show you the. Can I close this? Okay. The record that's already within CRS. And if you click this View Field Settings, it will open up a panel that allows you to then set the defaults for which fields you want to keep and which ones you want to use. So you can choose to use existing fields, all existing fields, or all import fields, or you've got the custom fields option, which then just shows the list of the fields that you could either use the default value, which would take usually the field with the largest amount of characters in, or you can then choose to either keep the import or the existing field, which is it's a similar process to what we use already in the standalone version. And that's pretty much it, I think. Of course, if you don't, this is now filter specific as well, so it allows you to have different settings for different filters, which I think was something that the standalone didn't do, and I think a few users had to then change their default settings every time they imported a different file. So hopefully that should work quite well.